Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or tutorial on using a free iOS app called Mindly for Judaic instruction and staff development. Mindly is an app that will enable the Judaic student and teacher to create mind maps or visual brainstorming clusters that are related to topics in Judaic instruction. Now, before I demonstrate how to use Mindly, I'm making two assumptions. I'm assuming that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad mini, or an iPhone. And secondly, you know how to download apps onto your iOS device. If that is true, let's open up Mindly by tapping on it, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so here is a mind map that I created related to topics in Judaic studies. All right, first I'll show you the mind map on Judaic studies, and then I'll demonstrate how I made that. So let's open this by tapping on it. Okay, and here it is. And you notice it says topics in Judaic studies, and I don't know if you can read this because it's rather small, but this says history of the Jewish people. Here's another idea or a sub-idea about Israel, and here is tefillah. And if you open these various ones, you'll see other subtopics. So if we open up history of the Jewish people, we have modern history, ancient history, and the Middle Ages. If we open up Israel, which is over here, we have other minor ideas. We look at Israeli culture, the many religions in Israel, and the politics of Israel. And if we open up the one cluster on tefillah, so let's open that, we have information, or clusters, subclusters if you like, on these various services, Shachrit, Mincha, and Mariv. Now, over here on the left, we have different icons. The first one with the home takes you back to the home screen. Okay. The one over here actually shows you the cluster in its entirety. Okay. And we'll go back. This one is for printing. This is an important one. This one over here enables you to email your composition as a text or as a PDF, or you can send it to a clipboard. And the one over here looks like an exclamation point, is really a help menu. And the last one over here, which looks like a tool icon, enables you to change your settings, etc. All right, so let's show you how we in fact made this. So let's go to the home menu, which is right up here, and simply click on the plus. And now we just give it a name. So let's call this a demo, okay? For simplicity, if we want to change the color, we click the color over here. Okay, let's say we want to make it this color, and then we click on the check. All right, so now it says demo, and then you have various options to make the subclusters or the subtopics. So let's click one of them, and we can call that Israel, right? And we could change the color if we want to make it a different color. Let's make it green. And now we have Israel. And under Israel, if we click on Israel, we can make other topics too. So we can click one of those pluses and we could look at culture, like Israeli culture, right? We can make an icon, we can make a different color, and we can, all right, so let's take a look at how this thing looks. That's how it would look. Obviously, you can make it more sophisticated if you like. And if you want to share that, you just click that arrow and you can hit send and you could share it as a PDF, etc. So what have we said? What we have said is that Mindly, M-I-N-D-L-E, is a free iOS app that you could use in your Judaic instruction and staff development. It's rather simple to use, and we invite you to try that. Thank you so very much.